Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Emma. Have you ever had to call a clinic to book an appointment? It can feel a little stressful, especially in English. Today, you'll listen to a phone call between a patient and a receptionist. It's simple, natural, and really useful if you ever need to see a doctor while traveling or living abroad. Let's listen to Clara and Sophie. Okay, here we go.
Hello, this is Riverside Medical Clinic. My name is Sophie. How can I help you today? Hi, yes. I'd like to make an appointment with a doctor, please. Of course. May I have your name, please? Yes, my name is Clara. Clara Bennett. Thank you, Clara. And have you visited our clinic before? No, this is actually my first time. No problem at all. Can I get your date of birth, please? Sure, it's March 14th, 1996. Great, thank you. And what's the reason for your visit today? I've had a sore throat for about 4 days, and a little fever too. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. That doesn't sound fun. Yeah, it's not. I think I need to see a doctor soon. Don't worry, we can help you with that. Let me check the schedule. Thank you so much. Okay, we have an opening tomorrow at 10:30 in the morning. Does that work for you? Tomorrow morning. Actually, I have work until 11. Do you have anything in the afternoon? Let me see. Yes, we have 2:15 in the afternoon. Would that be better? Yes, that's perfect. Thank you. Great, I'll book that for you. Dr. Harris will see you tomorrow at 2:15 p.m. Oh, nice. Is Dr. Harris a general doctor? Yes, she's a general practitioner. She sees patients for common illnesses like colds, fevers, and sore throats. That sounds exactly like what I need. Perfect. Now, can I get a phone number to confirm the appointment? Sure, it's 555-2847. Okay, 555-2847. Is that correct? Yes, that's right. Great. You'll receive a text message reminder 1 hour before your appointment. Oh, that's helpful. Thank you. Also, please arrive 15 minutes early. You'll need to fill out a new patient form. Okay, no problem. Should I bring anything with me? Yes, please bring your ID and your insurance card if you have one. I do have insurance. I'll bring the card with me. Perfect. That will make everything faster for you. One more question. How long does the appointment usually take? Usually about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your symptoms. Okay, that's not too long. Good. Exactly. Dr. Harris is very kind, so don't worry. That makes me feel better, actually. I was a little nervous. That's completely normal. A lot of patients feel nervous before their first visit. Yeah, especially because English isn't my first language, sometimes I worry I won't understand everything. Don't worry at all. Dr. Harris speaks slowly and clearly, and you can always ask her to repeat something. Oh, that's good to know. Thank you for telling me that. Of course, we want you to feel comfortable here. I really appreciate that. All right, so just to confirm, tomorrow, July 28th, at 2:15 p.m. with Dr. Harris? Yes, that's correct. Wonderful. Is there anything else I can help you with today? Actually, yes. Can I ask, does the clinic have parking? Yes, we have a small parking lot behind the building. It's free for patients. Oh, perfect. That's one less thing to worry about. Yes, parking can be stressful sometimes. It really can be. Okay, I think that's everything. Great. We'll see you tomorrow at 2:15, Clara. Thank you so much, Sophie. You've been really helpful. You're very welcome. I hope you feel better soon. Thank you. Have a good day. You too. Take care and see you tomorrow. Bye. See?
Booking a doctor's appointment doesn't have to be scary, even in another language. If you stay calm and ask questions, everything becomes much easier. I hope this episode helps you feel more confident the next time you need to make a phone call in English. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's learning English too. Also, try practicing these phrases out loud. Imagine you're the one calling the clinic. Thank you so much for listening. See you next time. Bye-bye.